go back to the Creator. So what we Muslims say, Muslim, have you heard of Islam before? Yes. Islam says you worship God directly. You don't go through Jesus. Today is this question: what's your goal? Yeah? Because one of the things is in life, you try and get education, health, children, love, fame, all these things, but eventually you're gonna die. Yeah? So the question is, what's the goal of life? Goal. Why do we exist? Why do we exist? Have you ever thought about that? Are you Christian?
Okay.
So you went to the Mosquita in Brass.
In Brass, okay.
How did you feel? What did you see?
It's very good.
Very good.
Very good. Very beautiful. It's big level spirituality.
Spirituality.
Okay. Most one in world is expand.
Ah, yes. Okay, I'm going to give you this Quran as a present for you to read.
Okay.
Yeah? You understand
Holy
English, yeah?
Quran. Thank you, my friend.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're so good to meet you. Your name? You know, people don't understand what we're saying, yeah? If people don't speak English, if you just give them the card and they actually read the card itself, and you point out each one of these things, like amor means love. Okay. So, and we know these symbols through different things. When you read this, they understand it automatically. Like I was talking to a guy earlier, there's a big language barrier, but when he saw this, then he knew it's about God and this.
Okay. Yeah. A couple before, in the train station, he didn't even know what Islam was. They'd not actually heard about Islam, and their concept of God was Allah. They said that they're Catholic, but in fact the belief that they had was not, because they said that Jesus is a prophet, you know, so they have the belief. It's similar to England, that many people in England will claim to be Christian, they don't actually believe in the Trinity. Yeah, bro.
The response has been quite good. A lot of people are stopping and taking the flyers. There's a bit of a language barrier in this area compared to yesterday. Yesterday there's a lot more tourists, but using the actual flyer itself, it's a lot easier to break down that language barrier that exists.
Jesus is prophet. Muhammad, prophet. Abraham, prophet.
Jesus is in Islamic is a prophet.
Prophet, yes.
Not son of God.
No.
Bro.
Okay.
Bro.
Jesus no God. Okay.
Human.
Is holy prophet.
Yes.
Holy prophet of Allah.
Yes.
Muhammad.
And you believe it.
Thank you.
What we say now, when you say this, you become a Muslim. Yeah? Because you believe in Allah.
Believe in Allah.
And you believe this is from Allah. Yes?
Yes.
Ashhadu anna la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. This brings you into Islam. You are now a Muslim.
Thank you. Thank you.
So the brother here, Alan Dino, he just took Shahada. He met us up the road, and then we bumped into him again. He's already visited the mosque in another city called Brasilia. Now that he's taking Shahada, we're not going to leave him on his own. We're going to put him into contact with another revert from Sao Paulo called Musa, who's going to be taking care of him, inshallah. This guy, we first met him there. He already went to the mosque in another city called Brasilia, and he found it very spiritual. He said Muslims are very spiritual. Then when he met us here, I wanted to get his email. So I was going to write the email on the Quran that I gave him. He said not to write on there because this is God's book. And he hadn't taken Shahada at this point. And then you came in and then you took...
You know, not many people just accept Islam overnight, but subhanAllah, he's done his own research. You know, most of the people we're dealing with, we're just planting the seed, you know, giving him that beginning, opening the door. But subhanAllah, you know, he was... Sure.
He was there. He was there. He was there.
Allahu Akbar.
dizer que eu frequento a mesquita muçulmana no Brasil e que admiro muito e que quero seguir crescendo na fé e progressando no caminho de Deus. Alá. Inshallah.